We need a carrot, cut the carrot into slices. We need a cucumber. Cut the cucumber into small slices. We will need ginger, peel off it, cut the ginger into slices. Take the slices in a blender. Add coriander leaf. Add a glass of water and blend it. Use blending machine to blend it well. Separate the impurities from the mixture. We will need 1 lemon. Add half of a lemon juice. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 15 days. You will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Please don't forget to follow to our page. Thanks for watching.